Wait, what? A phone with a 144 hertz display, 256 gigabyte storage, and a design that screams premium, all at this price? Is Infinix trying to flip the mid-range game on its head? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the brand new Infinix Note 50s. And trust me, this thing isn't here to play around. From eye-catching design to serious power under the hood, the Note 50s has been making waves online. But does it actually live up to the hype? Let's find out. Design and build. First impressions, this phone looks way more expensive than it is. The Infinix Note 50 sports a sleek matte finish, a slim profile, and a camera setup that honestly gives off flagship vibes. But hey, is it just about the looks, or can it hold its own in real-world use? Now, this is where things get juicy. You're looking at a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a silky smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the scrolling? Butter. Whether you're binging Netflix or grinding in your favorite mobile game, this screen absolutely delivers. Even outdoors, the brightness holds up well for the price range. Performance and software. Under the hood, it's rocking the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultimate, paired with up to 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. In daily use, this thing flies. Apps open quickly, multitasking is smooth, and gaming, it handles titles like PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, and Genshin Impact on medium to high settings without breaking a sweat. You're also getting Infinix's XOS 15 on top of Android 15. It's clean for the most part, though yeah, there's still a bit of bloatware hanging around. Let's talk shooters. The main 64 megapixel AI sensor actually holds its own in good lighting. Crisp details, decent colors, and solid dynamic range. In low light, it does struggle a bit with noise, but night mode helps clean things up. Around the front, you've got a 13 megapixel selfie cam that's perfectly fine for selfies and video calls. Is it pixel quality? Of course not. But for this segment, respectable. Battery life. Powering it all is a 5500 milliamp hour battery with 45-watt fast charging. This thing easily gets you through a full day, sometimes more. I was getting about 6.5 hours of screen on time consistently. And the 45-watt fast charger takes you from 0 to 80% in under an hour. No complaints here. So, should you buy the Infinix Note 50s? If you want a phone that checks all the essential boxes, premium design, smooth display, solid performance, and great battery, without burning your wallet, this one's a no-brainer. But hey, what do you think? Would you take the Note 50s over something like the Redmi Note 13 or Realme Narzo 60? Let me know down in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review.